So a couple things about the car. First of all, history. We found this car in the Monterey Bay Regional Airport in a private hangar, covered in a tarp, where it had sat purportedly by the owner 23 years. I've owned it about 10 since then, so it took about 10 years to restore this car. So everything was done with name brand subcontractors. Henry Wiedemann did the wheels, the Fuchs 4.5 by 15 wheels. There are 4 of them, not 5. I wish I had 5, but there's only 4. The 5th is a steel wheel, completely refinished and date coded correctly for 67S. The interior parts I think I mentioned before, but again, were all done by Autos International. Steering wheel by Tony at Autobahn. Carburetors by Performance Oriented. Paul Abbott out of Northern California does a superb job, both cosmetic and physically, in renovating Weber carbs. They are the absolute correct IDS Weber carbs. Serial numbers and manufacturing numbers checked to make sure that they were the original IDS 67S Webers with the long spout accelerator pump nozzles going down into the carb. What else can I tell you? Well, we found this sitting 23 years in the Monterey Bay Aquarium. Then I lost track of it. Then a good friend of mine in Carmel said, look, I found the car. It popped up at a resale individual shop in Monterey. And I said, is it both cars that we were looking at, or is it just the 911? It's just the 911. So I went in and bought it, and 10 years later, here we are with a restored car. It's lived its life predominantly in California, best I can tell from looking through all the receipts. It's been through, my guess is, 3 owners before me, and it is as it came from the factory. Sunroof, Bahama yellow, Fuchs wheels, rear wiper, heated rear window, tinted front windshield. All the gauges were rebuilt by Palo Alto Speedo. Engine and transmission work done by a close personal friend. His name is HB. He lives in Oakland, California. And all the machine work was done by Ollie's.